to take you guys on an FSD beta drive with the newest update, 11.3.3. Let's go. Engage the FSD beta here, and already with this update I'm seeing pretty different things on the road here, like a big blue line. It usually does that on this corner. It does the blinker, but we're actually not blinking. We're just driving straight. So as always, hands on the wheel driving with FSD beta, and we are just seeing how the new updates are going. So we're heading, okay, it's a little, brakes are a little glitchy there, just kind of braked twice, coming across this. That's, actually, it zoomed along there. Usually there's a lot of hesitation on the left-hand turns, so it can be slightly glitchy. That was actually a really nice, smooth left-hand turn. And obviously we didn't have any cars coming, so the car didn't have to navigate around that stuff. Wow, we're really stopping far away from that car. This is a little different. I also noticed when I press my over button, it's chill, assertive, and average with lane changes. I like assertive. I don't know. I'm gonna just press the gas here, not the gas. I'm gonna press the accelerator. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. I just took my foot off of it. I'm not sure why it just did that. There was no reason why the car shouldn't have gone, but it stopped and holding up the traffic back there. It is keeping quite a bit of distance between, so you can't set your distance between the cars now. And here we are again. Hopefully it will make a good decision, and it does. And likely it's not going to get us, no, we're not going to go into the Superstore parking lot. I'm going to take it off there. I'm going to go into the parking lot, and I'm going to turn around, and I'm going to show you getting on the highway. Navigate to Tesla Superchargers, Enfield. Okay, we're now navigating to Tesla Superchargers in Enfield, and we're getting on the highway. I'm just curious to see what the changes are on the highway. This is doing fine. So it's 110. We have traffic to the side. Oh, I don't know what's happening. Okay. I don't know why that didn't go over, but okay. I don't know what's happening. Autopilot disengaged. What happened? Press voice to send a Tesla message. And it says, okay. New with this update, FSD Beta is engaged on the highway and no longer autopilot. Doing well. You can see all the cones there. They're really on the other side, so there will be no issues in whether it's going to see it or not. And this is interesting because the road has changed. Obviously, they're repairing this bridge, so they've made this temporary road, and the car has had no issues with FSD Beta on the previous update navigating through this with the change in the road. It was just automatic the first time that I drove through. The car made the appropriate change, which is really, it's neat. It's kind of exciting. I'm gonna blinker over. I think maybe I'm supposed to use the blinker. So I'm actually going to, it does say that I'm going to go in, but I don't think it's gonna put the blinker on, so let's just wait a second. Nope. Oh, it is. It is. Okay, it is doing the blinker.
Trying to keep up with the new update, so indeed it should have blinkered me onto the highway back in Elmsdale.
This, however, right here, when we come up to this stop sign, shall be interesting. As you can see, this turn, it's very cumbersome, and it requires a lot of attention, even for like myself when I'm driving, because traffic is coming both ways, and you have to really get out past the bridge here on the left in order to see what's going on with the traffic. So let's see if the car, and I'm ready to take over at any time. See if, okay, the car is okay. I'm taking it off because this is being, it's, you know what, sometimes you just know it's better not to take that chance.
If you look back at the video, you'll see that 2 cars were coming from the left, one going straight and one turning left. The car was hesitating, going out and making wonky moves, so I did disengage, but I'm gonna go back and try that out again.
That was a hard one anyway, so you know what? I think the drive went pretty well. Here we are at the Irving, putting the blinker on. The car has put the blinker on. And once again, here we are just sitting. So it still does not have parking lot. Oh, this lady. She didn't realize I have the right of way, but that's okay. That is all we have today. And I'm really glad that you joined us today on the FSD Beta drive for the newest update, and just to see how exciting the advances are. And here we are at the Tesla Superchargers. And yeah, I hope that you join me for some more drives and around the area and different locations. And if you enjoyed this video today, please like, subscribe, and share.